Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix high memory usage in Google Chrome step by step in 2026. If Chrome is slowing down, freezing, or using too much RAM, it can make your computer lag significantly. The good news is there are several effective ways to reduce memory usage and make Chrome faster. Let's start. First, open Chrome and check which tabs are using the most memory. Press Shift plus ESC to open Chrome's Task Manager. Here you can see each tab, extension, and process with its memory usage. If you notice any unnecessary tabs or heavy extensions, select them and click End Process. Next, manage your tabs efficiently. Too many open tabs consume a lot of RAM. Close tabs you don't need, or use a tab management extension to suspend inactive tabs automatically. This alone can free a lot of memory. Now, review your extensions. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to More Tools greater than Extensions and disable or remove any extensions you rarely use. Some extensions run in the background and consume memory even when you're not actively using them. Another tip is to clear your cache. Go to Settings. Greater than Privacy and Security, greater than Clear Browsing Data, choose All Time, and clear cached images, cookies, and site data. Corrupted or excessive cache can increase memory usage significantly. Next, update Chrome. Click the three dots, go to Help greater than About Google Chrome, and let Chrome update automatically. The latest version usually includes performance improvements and memory optimizations. If you're using multiple heavy web apps at the same time, consider disabling hardware acceleration. Go to Settings greater than System and Toggle. Off use hardware acceleration when available, then restart Chrome. This can reduce memory strain in some cases. For power users, enable Chrome's experimental memory saving feature. Type Chrome:// flags in the address bar, search for back forward cache or tab freeze, and enable it. Restart Chrome and it will automatically reduce memory usage for background tabs. Finally, if all else fails, consider reinstalling Chrome. Uninstall the browser, restart your computer, and download the latest version from the official Google website. A fresh installation often fixes hidden issues causing high memory consumption, and that's how you fix Google Chrome high memory usage step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.